Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. The Jamaican authorities are reporting that the country has made significant progress in the fight against human trafficking. In addition to criminal convictions, over 130 victims have been rescued. The update was given at the recent Caribbean Trafficking in Persons Forum in St. James. Ramarda Lyons reports.
Jamaica has long grappled with human trafficking, but the National Task Force Against Trafficking in Persons says the gains cannot go unnoticed, as many successful strategies have been employed in the fight. Alison Stone-Roof is the chairman of the task force.
We have established the National Task Force Against Trafficking in Persons in 2005, amended the Trafficking in Persons Prevention, Suppression and Punishment Act to increase the term of imprisonment from 10 years up to a maximum of 30 years.
There have also been 16 convictions for human trafficking, and over 130 victims have been rescued. In addition, Ms. Roof says safe spaces have also been established for children.
We have established an office for independent oversight through the appointment of a national rapporteur on trafficking in persons, which is the first of its kind in the region.
Diane Gordon Harrison heads that office.
I know that the Caribbean region is aware of what is required. The region has produced homegrown experts who are sensitized to the nature and scope of the problem and who are committed to putting in the work to reap the success that we hope for and desire.
The United States has been collaborating with Jamaica to prevent child trafficking, protect victims, and enhance prosecutions. To strengthen the process, the U.S. is urging Jamaica to enforce regulations with greater intensity.
The United States encourages Jamaica to focus its legislative and institutional efforts to strengthen enforcement and the delivery of timely justice for victims of human trafficking.
Now, 64 trafficking cases were reported between 2024 and 2025, leading to the identification of 34 individuals, including 13 confirmed victims and 21 suspected victims. The Anti-Trafficking in Persons Vice Squad says most investigations stem from anonymous reports to the National Children's Registry. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.